It's been just 6 months since Apple launched the 2023 iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models, but as is typical with rumors, people are already looking to the 2024 iPhone 16 lineup. So in this video, we are going to discuss iPhone 16 Pro Max 10 biggest changes, leaks, and rumors. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. iPhone 16 Pro models with bigger screens. Speaking of screen sizes, Apple has maintained the two screen sizes for iPhone Pro models since 2020 when it launched the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, that's rumored to change with the iPhone 16 Pro models, which might get bigger screens. Display analyst Ross Young suggested earlier this year that the iPhone 16 Pro models will have larger screens, putting the sizes at 6.3 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Number 9. iPhone 16 will have more AI tricks. AI is perhaps the biggest tech buzzword this year, and Apple is expected to follow in the footsteps of rivals Samsung and Google, which each trumpeted the new AI tips and tricks on their flagship phones. To be sure, Apple's iOS 18 could bring the biggest software update in the iPhone's history, according to a January edition of Mark Gurman's Power On newsletter. Gurman also reported that iOS 18 will feature generative AI technology that should improve how both Siri and the Messages app can field questions and autocomplete sentences. Number 8. iPhone 16 processors. A 18 chip for all models? In a break with the past 2 years, all 4 iPhone 16 models will apparently get a next-generation Apple chipset, which will all receive A18 branding. All 4 models will have an A18 series chip, with Pro iPhone models getting an A18 Bionic Pro and base models getting a regular A18. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus currently have an A16 Bionic, which debuted on the 2022 iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, while the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max run on the A17 Pro processor. Pew says the A18 chip will be manufactured with TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. Number 7. iPhone 16 Ultra model. Apple's iPhone 16 could bring us an iPhone Ultra model above both the Pro and the Pro Max for the first time. In return, Apple would discontinue one of the basic iPhone models, keeping the lineup as a quartet. That said, one source says only to expect it in the next couple of years, so it seems likely that Apple is sticking with the same 4 models found in the iPhone 15 lineup. Number 6. MagSafe. The MagSafe alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models may be slimmer than before, cutting down on the size of the magnetic ring required for MagSafe-compatible cases. Prior to the launch of new iPhone models, case makers sourced the leaked dimensions and specifications of the upcoming devices from Apple suppliers. The information is used to make dummy models for creating cases, and because there's a lot of money involved in being the first to come out with a case for a new device, dummy models are often accurate representations of what we can expect to see from new iPhones. Number 5. Colors. There have been mixed rumors about the color options for the iPhone 16 models. One rumor suggested 7 colors, including blue, pink, yellow, green, black, white, and purple. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, though, believes the iPhone 16 will be available in black, green, pink, blue, and white, with no purple or yellow options. The iPhone 16 models are expected to adopt the same color-infused back glass that was used for the iPhone 15 models. The rear glass layer will feature a frosted effect that contrasts with the mainframe color. Number 4. iPhone 16 cameras could get a longer zoom. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max could both have 5x telephoto lenses next year. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, a tetraprism lens will make its way to both Pro models next year, as opposed to just the Pro Max model. Apple equipped the iPhone 15 Pro with a 12-megapixel 3x optical zoom, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 12-megapixel 5x optical zoom camera, which is the equivalent of 120mm lens on a full-frame camera. When Apple launched the 15 Pro Max with its 5x telephoto lens, it cited the phone's bigger body as to why the Pro Max had it, but the Pro didn't. Number 3. iPhone 16 design with slimmer bezels. The rumors of larger screen sizes are piling in, at least for select iPhone 16 models. The latest is from Korean publication, The Elec, which published an April report saying select iPhone 16 models are poised to adopt an innovative screen technology, resulting in thinner bezels or the frame around the phone's screen. This development could translate to a slightly larger screen area for some iPhone 16 models, although it's not clear which models. Number 2. Design. Apart from the change in the camera layout, Apple is likely to finally add the action button to the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus lineup this year. Notably, the action button replaced the mute switch on last year's Pro lineup. Moreover, Apple could also add a capture button on all iPhone 16 models this year. The new button could help people take photos and videos while holding the device horizontally. Number 1. Battery. The iPhone 16 could get a 6% boost in terms of battery capacity when compared to the iPhone 15. The iPhone 16 may come with a 3,561 mAh battery pack as compared to the 3,349 mAh battery seen on last generation's iPhone 15. Moreover, Apple will also reportedly use a metal covering for its iPhone 16 batteries as compared to the foil casing on last year's iPhone. The change is expected to improve heat dissipation and prevent the heating complaints faced by iPhone 15 users. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.